Okay. Good morning, students. Now let us study today very important and prime topics of operating system, which is known as scheduling. Then first question will come in our mind. What is scheduling and why do we need it? Scheduling does not mean it is a big constraint on operating system. Scheduling is the requirement of operating system. Now let's understand why. As I said in the previous video, that operating systems should be multiprocessing, multitasking. That means multiple requests one at a time. But definitely operating system is having limitation. If kernel is running one program, he cannot run the other program. So definitely he has to be wait to complete the execution of one task. Now let us consider there are many requests has come simultaneously from many users. Now operating system cannot say that you are not important customer for me, I can't take your request, or he cannot say anything. So he is having certain protocols to follow that which process or which request he should process first. And that is nothing but known as scheduling. So scheduling says that based on the certain rules and terms and conditions, the operating system will take the request and he will process and he will execute it. In that there are three and which is the more primarily used. First one is FCFS, which is very basic and common, that is first come first serve basis. And by the name it says that which request will come first, he will execute it first. He is not bothering about the time consumed by the one process. Let us consider P1 has requested first, but he is going to occupy 90 seconds. And another process he is going to P2, he will occupy only 5 seconds. But P1 has come first, so process will take that, operating system will take P1 and he will make P2 to wait. So P2 has to wait for the 90 seconds to execute 5 seconds task. This is the limitation of first come first serve basis, but it is the basic prime concern of operating system scheduling. Next one is shortest job first. That means which job is the small task, small job, first operating system will take that and he will execute it. Actually, this is the most primary concern going to be used because the another task should not wait for the long time. But again, drawback is, let us consider P1 has arrived with the 90 seconds, P2 is for 2, P3 is for 4, and so on. Till 10 processes are lesser than 90 seconds, the P1 has to wait. And then P1 will get time only when all the small job has to be executed. So this is also having some limitations. And then we can say that there are some limitations for shortest job also. There is some limitations for first come first service also. Then another one is priority scheduling, which says that which already will say that P1 is having highest priority, P2 is having least priority. So which is having highest priority, the operating system will take and execute it. So what we found is there is definitely limitations for each scheduling scheme, but it does not mean that the operating system will work without scheduling. So it depends on the task, it depends on the requirement, operating system will adjust and we can do the work with any types of scheduling scheme. Thank you very much.